In today's video, I'll show you how to make columns in Notion. Let's say, for example, this is my column 1, this is my column 2, this is my column 3. I already have a table created here. Let's say I don't want to create a table, I just want columns in here in text form. So how do I create it? Let's say I got one more column 4. Now I want the column 2 next to the column 1. How to get it there? I just click on this at the front of column 2. I just drag it and I just put it beside column 1. I just put it next to column 1 and I'll just take it here, as you can see, and I have put it over here. Now let's say I want to put column 4 next to this. I'll just drag it and put it over here. Now let's say I want to put column 1 to the left. There you go. Now I got 3 column and I can type under all the column as well. As you can see over here, this is in col 3. I kind of messed up the numbering, but that's okay. You guys get the idea. This is called 4, and it's very nice for organizing your stuff like this. And basically that is how to create columns in Notion. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.